Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. This is the 5th episode of the recreation series where I recreate different home decor brands at home and basically in a very less budget. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating the Wall Mantra wall Morrocan mirror. It's not completely copied. There's a slight twist. I've completely changed the whole thing but in a different style. So you can say that this is my rendition. So I've sort of taken the silhouette of it, but the whole process and the whole look of this mirror is going to be completely different. So if you want to know how you can make this at home, all you need to do is watch this video till the end and you'll know how. So I won't take much of your time, so let's just get started. To start off, I have taken this wooden board on which I am going to draw a border. Using a steel scale, I'll draw borders equal to the size of the width of the scale. Once done, I'm going to draw a pattern of my choice with the pencil. You can choose to draw anything you want. Now to make the pattern look more 3D, I am using this quick dry clay with which I am going to map out the whole pattern again. The next step is to use some acrylic putty and coat it on the edges and the back side of the board nicely. Once the putty dries up, I am going to use this steel blue chalk paint and run it over the pattern, almost like embossing it to make it visible. Lastly, use a Fevibond and paste this long mirror in the center just like shown. And you are done. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you people. If you did, then please do show some support by liking this video, dropping down a comment below and sharing this video with your friends, peers, family, everybody that you know of. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be coming up with such videos on every Wednesday and Friday. And you can press the bell icon because it's going to notify you every time I put up a new video. If you are someone who loves to watch short form content, then my Instagram is always there and I post these videos in form of a reel on my Instagram. So you can find the link to that in the description box below and follow me right away. Thank you so much for watching again. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.